welcome! February is the most romantic month of all, and Romanians have double the occasion to celebrate. Not only on Valentine's Day, which has gained a lot of popularity in Romania in recent years, but also on the 24th of February, when Romanians celebrate the tradition of Dragobete, which is Romania's own holiday dedicated to love. In this context, I've put together a couple of different ways to say I love you in Romanian. So here are 10 phrases that you can use to express your love and affection for your very, very special person. Te iubesc. Te iubesc la nebunie. Te ador. Sunt îndrăgostit de tine. Sunt îndrăgostită de tine. Suntem făcuți unul pentru celălalt. Mă faci fericit. Mă faci fericită. Mă faci să zâmbesc. Mă gândesc tot timpul la tine. Ești mereu în mintea mea. Mi-ești drag. Mi-ești dragă. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you found the phrases useful. By the way, if you're looking for a card to tell someone special that you love them and to bring a smile to their face, I got your back. I'm very passionate about card making, so for this year's Dragobete, I made 5 heartfelt cards that you can purchase from my website and make someone happy. Anyway, just saying. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy. Ba, ba, ba.